Hi guys, good afternoon and welcome back to the channel Ordel's Kitchen. Guys, this afternoon I'm going to share with you my honey garlic butter chicken breast fillets. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to season and marinate my chicken. And I've got the ingredients here I'd be using, guys. I've got a little olive oil in the bowl here. I've got some Old Bay seasoning and Cajun seasoning. I've got some Italian seasoning and smoked paprika and some complete seasoning. Okay, it's simple. Okay, simple seasonings. And I've got my 4 chicken breast fillets here. Okay, it's already been washed down thoroughly with lime and vinegar and pat dry. So guys, I'm gonna go ahead now and I'm gonna season and marinate my chicken and show you that. Okay, what I'm going to do here now, guys, I'm gonna um pour all my seasonings on this little oil and mix it all like into a paste, and that's what I'm going to use to season and marinate my chicken. Okay, I'm gonna mix well into a paste like consistency, and I'm gonna use that and rub it onto my chicken and season well. I may have to put a little bit more oil because it's a bit too dry for me. Okay guys, using my little pastry brush, I'm gonna rub all this marinade onto my chicken like so. Make sure it's well coated. And I'm gonna turn it over on the other side. I'm gonna mix and rub it in well in all the creases and the little cracks and everywhere. Okay guys, my chicken, as you could see, it's well seasoned and well marinated. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to place it in my fridge now for about an hour, yeah, to let it season and marinate well and draw all the seasonings, and then I'll come back and I'll take you guys through the next process. Okay. Okay guys, now I'm ready to move on to the next step, guys. Now I've got my chicken breast there, well seasoned and well marinated. It's been sitting in the fridge all night. Okay, I've also got the rest of the ingredients that I'm using, guys, and I'll take you through that. Here in my little bowl, guys, I've got some honey, brown sugar, some apple cider vinegar, some ketchup, pepper flakes. I've got my grated garlic there, soy sauce. I've got some melted butter, some Dijon mustard, and some corn starch. Okay, so I'm gonna take you through the next step. Next step, guys, I would be searing my chicken breast, guys, and let it brown up and get that nice, beautiful chard on both sides. Okay, so let's go over to my cooker, and I'll take you through that. Okay, here in my cooker, guys, on my cooker I've got a little pan here with a little coconut oil, guys. So I'm gonna go in with my chicken breast And I'm gonna sear my chicken breast on both sides. Both sides, I'm gonna give it 4 minutes on both sides. Okay, on my cooker, guys, in my little wok, guys, I've got a pan here with some coconut oil. So I'm gonna go in with my garlic and let my garlic go for about 2 to 3 minutes and caramelize and release all that nice flavor and fragrance. Then I would go in with the rest of my ingredients and create that beautiful, delicious, yummy sauce. Okay. So guys, once my sauce thicken up a little bit, then I would add my chicken breast fillet. Yeah, and I'm gonna let that go for about 4 to 5 minutes, guys, and then I am done. See, it's thickening up beautifully. So I'm gonna go ahead now and I'm gonna add my chicken breast. Look at that, guys. Oh my God. Look at that. delicious perfection. I'm gonna let this go now, guys, and then we'll come back and I'll show you the finished product. I'm gonna lower my heat. Okay guys, this is the finished product of my honey garlic butter chicken breast fillet, guys. If you like my video, please give me a thumbs up. Please like, share and subscribe. All the measurements and ingredients would be in the description box. If you're new to my channel, you're absolutely welcome. Please hit the subscription button and a little notification bell where you would be notified whenever I upload a video, guys. Thank you all so much, guys, for your continued support. I really appreciate all of you. Please don't forget to like, share and comment. It would really help my channel. Thank you all, guys, once again, and I'll see you in my next one. Okay, thank you. Bye.